2022 CR 2755, State of Texas versus Luttrell Miles. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas.
Defense.
Natasha Torres on behalf of Mr. Miles, we're ready on.
All right, and are you Mr. Miles?
Mr. Miles, yes.
All right. You entered a plea of guilty on June 22nd to the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams. According to the plea bargaining agreement, punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 4 years. The state is silent on your application, and they are taking in consideration a night mag case. Let me see here. Just one moment. My computer is moving very slow.
That's all right, Your Honor.
Feel your pain, Judge.
It's happening, right? Ms. Abrams, on this case, was a PSI done or no?
Oh, yeah.
It was not? All right. So,
Judge, if I may interrupt, I think you just wanted us to run a criminal history on.
thank you.
Which,
Thank you. So has the criminal history been completed?
yes, Judge.
All right. And have you had a chance to review your client's criminal history?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And what is his criminal history?
Judge, it was a conviction for a state jail drug case. I think it was actually deferred, so I might be mistaken on that. Sorry about that. And a misdemeanor theft conviction. There wasn't really much history.
All right. Thank you. So, Mr. Mouse, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
My name is Coach I'll be Shane Miles,
All right. If I were to grant your application, where would you be staying?
1107.
No. I'm sorry. That's a bad question on my part. Would you be staying by yourself or with someone else?
I'll be staying with my mother.
All right. And does your mother want you to stay with her?
Your Honor, if I may, I
Yes.
did have her as a witness. She's sitting here.
Okay. All right. Awesome.
Just
So,
wanted-
thank you. So counsel, does his mother want him staying there?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
This is the moment the courtroom shifts completely. The judge stops focusing on the crime and starts focusing on recovery. You can hear the honesty in his voice when he admits his meth addiction. But here's the real question. Is this true change or just another promise the court has heard before?
Do you have a drug issue?
Yes, I do, ma'am.
All right. What is your drug of choice? What are you using?
It was meth.
All right. How often are you using meth?
Ma'am, I really had, not much, ma'am. I had really stopped doing it. Before I was arrested. Ma'am, I graduated from drug court back in 2016.
Mhm.
You spoke at my graduation.
Okay.
I'm
So what
51
happened?
I'm 51 years old, ma'am. I made a mistake. I wasn't ready then. I am now. I was prior to getting arrested. I was tired and sick and tired of it, and I'm done. Doing with drug court, I know what I need to do by going to outpatient. I was going to Trinity Mulberry for a men's meeting. I'm going to go back to doing that. I'm going to go to my NA classes. But the main thing is I have structure with my mother. My mother doesn't allow any drugs to be in the house or anything like that. And, my grandmother used to say, it comes to a point where somebody tells you that, that you need to stop doing drugs. But when you're tired of it and I am, and I'm completely done with it.
That line right there may have saved him from prison. When he says probation is a new way of life, the judge immediately sees accountability instead of excuses. But don't get it twisted. 8 years of probation is intense. One failed drug test or missed meeting, and everything could fall apart fast.
So when you're giving me probation, it is not a punishment to me. It's a new way of life for me because it's a privilege for me to get right with myself.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to 4 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 8 years. Taking consideration night mag number 71218. There's to be proof of employment within 45 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. The UA hotline until further notice. We're going to do a TAP evaluation, probation. That can be done while he's out of custody. If you miss that TAP appointment, a motion to revoke is going to be filed. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And if the TAP evaluation recommends inpatient treatment, if they recommend outpatient treatment, I want to start with intensive outpatient treatment. I'm going to want 90 sober meetings in 90 days. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. And I'm going to want field visits. I want an initial field visit, then I want field visits one time every 2 months.
I'm sorry, what are at the home?
Yes, thank you. Probation, is there anything else he needs?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Miles, is there anything else you need from the court?
I just want to tell you, thank you, ma'am.
Oh, thank you. You're welcome. I try my best.
No, you're a firm lady, and I know that you are, and I know that you are understanding about, people doing drugs, and you want to get the best of help. And the only way that I can feel this is if I feel myself. And I understand it, and I want the best for myself.
All right, remember this day. Don't forget it, okay?
Thank you again, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Let me get.
Yeah. I'm going to show you, just 1 second. Yeah, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. So you live at your mom's house. Do not make your mom's life any more difficult. You're going to have to follow her rules. So if she has a curfew time, that's your curfew time. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.